So today I'm replacing the lower ball joints in my Can-Am Outlander. It's a Max 650 XT. I got roughly 5,500 kilometers. It's 2013. The reason the ball joints are shot were likely these back here. The tracks, you know, do add a lot of weight out on the suspension, and it starts to get a lot of rough gone. So I'm not too upset about it. But as you can see, I already got this side done, but I figured I'd show the process here. So the lowers, you let go of this bolt here that holds your ball joint in and pry your arm down. And I've just supported the hub here with jack to get it out of the way. So this is a ball joint press tool. I bought it at Princess Auto. Some stores actually rent them out, but these ones, so you remove the C-clip from the bottom in here, and then it pushes upwards. So I have a cup to receive the ball joint on top, and I actually I put a little pressure on it first, and it got tight. I got the propane torch and just heat it a little bit, and it just started to crack. So I'll just crank on it here now. And it's out. Not the easiest thing in the world to do with one hand. There you go. So you can clean that up and get ready to press in your new ball joint. And this is the old one pressed into the cup, so you can just push that out. So here's the old one. It's shot. A lot of play in it. Very loose. But yeah, I got my new ones in the freezer, getting ready to go back in. So it'll be the opposite. So you want to press from the top. So not quite sure if I'll have enough room to get the tool on it, but I'll give it a try. So here's the installation. It's pretty much the reverse of the removal. So you can see the ball joint is on top. You're driving it down through the A-arm. So you put your receiving cup here on bottom, and you just tighten her down. So my key was heat it with the propane torch all around here, and put your new ball joints in the freezer, and don't take them out until you're ready to install them. And it cranked in pretty easy. There you go. You'll know when it hits bottom. Loosen her up and put it back together, and you're done. I'll give you one tip, because on the first side I didn't do it. So this is an all balls lower control arm ball joint. The rubber here is removable, and if you try to put it in without taking it off, you're gonna pinch the shit out of the bottom of it, and it's probably not gonna seal right. So you can take this off, push it in, put your rubber cover back on, and this fits tight enough that you can push it back down with it. That's a little tip for you. So the one on this side did not do that. I got it down there. Don't look like the tightest seal, so might be doing that one again sooner rather than later, but we'll see.